Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here with an Artsnacks box. What's this? I haven't had Artsnacks for quite a long time, and if you watch my channel, you know why. I was very upset with the last box I got from them, and I stopped subscribing to them. However, March is their anniversary month, and generally they have better boxes for March, I've noticed. And this month they said they were sending a bonus box. I don't think it's in this box, and I didn't get 2 boxes, so I don't know where that is, but I guess I'll do another video on it if I get the bonus box. But yeah, so I was hoping that March would be a good month to subscribe to Artsnacks, and then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna stop subscribing to them and just keep Paletful Packs. I mean, I'm still subscribed to Paletful Packs too, but alright, let's get into the unboxing and I'll stop rambling. Boop boop, I don't know what's in here, haven't opened it yet. Bam! Alright, oh Smarties, heck yeah, it's one of my favorite candies ever. Gonna put the menu aside right now. Looks like everything's in here. Everything's in here. Whee! Okay. What's inside? What? Okay, I want to do it like so you can only see one at a time. Bam! Okay, 4 colored pencils. Alright, colored pencils aren't normally my jam, but that's okay. These are very pretty colors. It's like green and blue. This one looks a little more blue on camera, but it's more like greenish. It's kind of weird. My camera's being weird on colors, but okay, and it's Bruinzel. I'll take a look at that a little bit later. I've never heard that brand before. Never heard that brand. Oh, but it has a little Artsnacks symbol. So maybe it's like, I have no idea. We're gonna find out. Okay, now what's this? Bam! Graphite brush liner. Okay, and it's a brush, yep. Well, you know, that's better than a fine liner. I'd rather have a brush than a fine liner, honestly, because I, like, have so many fine liners and, like, no use for them, so. This is cool, alright. Never have enough brushes, I feel. Ooh, paintbrush. There's a paintbrush in here. What else is in here? What does that mean? Oh my gosh, this is a really pretty, like just really pretty paintbrush. Like, I'm sorry, I just keep looking at it, but the color doesn't even show up as perfectly on my camera. I'm sorry, but oh my gosh, it's like this, like, mint. It's called Minta, huh? And it's so pretty, and it's an 8. I like that size, and it's a long round. That's great. It looks like a long round. Maybe it's just a round, but. Alright, so let's put that aside, and yes, watercolor. I've never tried this brand before, Rembrandt. It's orange, though. That is so random. That is a random color. Orange? Well, alright. I love watercolor, so. Oh my god, this sticker is so pretty. This is so pretty. It's like stained glass. I'm sorry, my face was like I was not paying attention, probably not in the video for like half the time. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love this sticker. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here are all the goodies. And I will now read the menu. So if you're not interested in that, see you later. Bye. Here's all the goodies. And here's what's on the menu for March. Rembrandt watercolor, $12.95 retail. Yeah, watercolor is expensive, y'all. New and improved, made in Holland, Rembrandt watercolors are adored by professionals all over the world. This paint is formulated using the highest concentration of pigment and pure gum arabic, which produces pure, intense color. 46 new and improved hues have been recently added to the Rembrandt watercolor line. Which one did you get? I got, I don't even know how to say the first word actually, benzimazole orange. Benzimidazole orange. Oh my god, I'm just gonna call it Ben's orange. Ben's orange! Alright, Royal and Langnickel Minta Series 88 brush. This brush is so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Staff favorite. Beautiful watercolor deserves a beautiful brush. Yeah, you got that right. With soft synthetic squirrel bristles, the Royal and Langnickel Minta brush is made specifically for watercolor painting. It holds a generous amount of color and is extremely resilient. The acrylic handle can soak in water without cracking or swelling. Oh, that's awesome. Oh my god, I'm so happy that this box is like a at least partial watercolor box because I love watercolors, and I've had a lot of very like penny like boxes with Artsnacks, and I don't like the pens so much. Oh my god, I want to like take off this sticker because and just have it be like a beautiful mint. I'm sorry, I should probably wait until after the video to do this. So let me wait. But I'm just so excited about this beautiful brush, you guys. Oh my god. Alright, and did I say this was a $4.19 retail? I feel like I forgot. $4.19 retail. That's not bad for a brush. That's pretty good price, actually. I don't think I've ever gotten an 8 size watercolor brush for that price. Okay, Graphite Brush Liner. $3.79 retail. Almost as much as the paintbrush. New to Artsnacks, make a statement with the Graphite Brush Liner. From super fine lines to big bold strokes, this pen offers amazing versatility. Waterproof, pigmented ink flows consistently from its springy brush nib and delivers lush black color. It strikes the perfect balance between flexibility and responsiveness. I hope that's true. Alright, and finally the colored pencils. Brewing Zeal Expression Colored Pencils, set of 4. $7.78 retail. Artsnacks exclusive, which makes sense since it has the little Artsnacks symbol at the bottom. Limited edition. We specially designed this pack of Brewing Zeal Expression, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Expression colored pencils just for art snackers. Imported from Holland, these cedar encased pencils are packed with quality pigments. Barely any pressure is needed to achieve bright color thanks to the pencil's strong, thick 3.3 millimeters core. The vivid hues will pop right off your page. Alright, sweetness. Now let's read the joke. For March. Why couldn't the ballpoint pen cross the road? It was stationary. That's silly. Okay, so I haven't really been doing like swatches in my videos, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it and just have this video be a little bit longer because people don't have to watch the whole thing if they don't want to. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some watercolor paper if I can find a little. I had a little sheet over here. Alright, we're just gonna whoop, just dropping paper everywhere. Alright, we are just going to put like the smallest. I want to like put this in a palette. Do I have any space in my palette? I do not. No space in my watercolor palette. I was using this as a little palette, so let me just... I don't want to use much at all. Just gonna put a little dot on there. You can't even barely see it. Alright. I have a water bottle right here. I love water. Oh, my paintbrush is kind of... Forgot I need to get that out. So, I'm not gonna bother with the paintbrush yet, just because I need to dip it in a jar, and I don't have a clean jar right now. So, we're just gonna play with the paint a little bit. Ooh, it is a pretty orange. Here, that's the... I think I got like a very... I think the dot I put in was a little bit watery, but it's a very nice orange, actually. That's very pretty. Sometimes I'm not like crazy about orange. It's really hard to see on my camera. Wow, that looks there's a little piece of dirt on there. I can't get it off. I think maybe the palette had dirt on it, but yeah, it's like a bright, it's kind of like a bright orange, and that's nice. I thought it would be like a darker, like yuckier orange, but that's very pretty. That's actually gonna probably go nice with these colored pencils. Just want to put a little bit more color out there. Okay. So now let's, oh, it's got a little gooey on here. Just gonna put that there for now. They're very pretty colored pencils, and like, you know, I don't really like colored pencils, but I've been using colored pencils to do sketching and stuff, and I've started doing a little bit of like coloring with them too, but I don't like the look as much, but maybe I'll get more into it. These are really nice. They're just like very pretty, and I love this. This one looks so pretty. Like, it really looks more blue on camera, but it's sort of like a greenish, like it's like a bluish green actually. Like, it's like a malachite kind of color. But okay, let's put them down. They don't have color names, which is kind of annoying. They're just like numbers, and I don't like that as much. Like, I think color names are so fun, and like just to hear like the nice color names, you know, is really nice. So this is the dark green is what I'm gonna call it. It's like a pine green. Just gonna, should probably just dip my camera down so you can see it a little closer. Might not be focused well, but the colors are not perfect in my webcam, so I'm very sorry about that. Cause yeah, but that's okay. This is watercolor paper, but they actually are working pretty nice on it, which is good because I'm going to be using them on watercolor paper when I do the Artsnacks challenge with all these products. Oh, that's a nice green, like a grass green, like a regular. But these pigments actually, they look really nice. I'm actually kind of surprised. Oh yes. Oh my god. This is like the exact color pencil that I wanted. Oh my god. Like when I do sketching and stuff, since I sketch in colored pencils, like I always want this color. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, it doesn't even show up perfect on here, but it's like a, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's brighter in person than it is on my camera. Oh my god, I love it. I love this. This is my favorite pencil. Wow. This is a really nice, like, set together. I wonder if, like, everybody got the same colors. Because I haven't really been keeping up with Artsnacks videos since I haven't been subscribed to them. But, I have one friend that does Artsnacks videos, so I will keep a lookout and see what colors she got. But that actually looks pretty cool with the orange. And then this is the brush pen. My issue with brush pens, my only issue really, is that I can't do like very thin lines because my thin lines look like I can't get them straight. They're very like wobbly and very like eh. But I still like brush pens compared to fine liners because at least they give like more of, I don't know, like a volume and like, I don't know, it's more like painterly than just like a solid line, I guess. So yeah, that's an alright brush liner. Let's see if it is soluble in water. Looks like it is, so definitely won't be using that until after the fact. But it doesn't look, maybe it's just because I like just put it down, but I feel like even if it dried it would still. But it's not like smearing. It's just kind of like taking the gray, which is actually a lot better than... Yeah, like, it's not even smearing the lines. It's just sort of pulling some pigment from it. That's kind of weird. I don't think I've ever really seen that happen. That's kind of cool, actually, because it doesn't mess up the line work. So maybe I'll actually end up using that or something. That's pretty cool, actually. I've never seen it to where it doesn't, like, mess up the line work, but it still pulls out color. Huh. That's interesting. Alright. Alright, well, let's see if for some reason these pencils are water soluble, even though it doesn't say that they are or anything. Let's see what happens if I put water on them. Because why not? Okay, so it pulls a little bit of the pigment, actually. But not very much. Not very much. And it doesn't really... Well, it kind of blends it a little bit, actually. Actually, that's not bad. But I can tell they weren't meant to work with water, but... I don't know what happens to regular colored pencils if you add water to them. Like, I've never tried, but I've been working with these watercolor crowns lately, which are kind of like watercolor pencils, except more like textury, and more like pastel-y, I guess. Like, the consistency of pastels. But, yeah, that doesn't really... I don't think the water really added anything to the colored pencils, but... Okay, I'm excited for this orange, actually. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna use it to paint flowers at some point, like, other than on here. Maybe I'll do flowers for the Artsnacks challenge. I don't know how I'm gonna really include the black, actually, because that's such a, like, black is so dark compared to these. And yeah, I just don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But oh my god, this video is so long, and I feel really bad about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was probably boring at the end because I was just rambling. Oops, I didn't realize. I was rambling for like 10 minutes. Woo! Well, yeah, I swatched everything out, and I'm pretty happy about this box, actually. Pretty glad I resubscribed to Artsnacks, so I'll see you guys later. Thank you especially to my patrons, Ezsithyn, Artemystik, Kim, Rhian, Jill, and Ashley. You guys are the best, and I love you so much. See you guys later. Bye!